Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to add flood insurance to your Geico Homeowner insurance policy in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into the video. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Geico account, which you can do on the mobile app, or you can do so on the official website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on policy detail. So go ahead and click on policy detail and select coverage option. Next, you're going to select the flood insurance option. So go ahead and select that and then click add coverage. Next, you're going to review and confirm the changes to your policy just to make sure that everything went through correctly. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add flood insurance to your Geico Homeowner insurance policy in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.